Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my junk journal embellishment challenge number 78, and the prompt is coffee, and I'm going to make a journaling card. This is going to be a very quick one because I don't have much time today, and well, I just quickly gathered some stuff. I had this coffee card, I had this card, a recipe card, a piece of a recipe card. I thought, well, I like that. I'm going to do something like that. Some lace and some burlap, paper, coffee dyed paper for the back, and a little flower. These are 5 little circles glued together. And I'm going to do a little flower on top of that, something like that. So that's going to be the journaling card. I'm not going to speed it up today because then I'm afraid it's too short, the video, very short. So I'm gluing the coffee dyed paper on it, on the back. You could write on this, but I like coffee dyed paper and the prompt is coffee, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to glue that on. Well, mostly I do my challenge make my challenge earlier, but I had a very busy week. My grandson was staying with me for 5 or 6 weeks. Days, sorry, not that long. Well, and there were other things that happened, so I didn't have much time to craft. Oh yeah, and I hurt my finger and my hand. So I told you that in a previous video. I hurt my hand on the mandolin. That's how you call it. A thing where you can make slices with. Well, that hurt. And I couldn't do very much. So I'm going to do that. We'll ink the edges. Well, that's coffee dyed paper, and maybe I'm going to do something more on it, a few spritz like that. And a few more spritz, so that will dry. Then I'm going to glue this on, something like that, and with a piece of burlap. I like this stuff so much. I very often use it. So something now that's way too big. Could do that. Something like that. Was just in the corner. Yeah. Well, then the flower is gone, but can't have everything. I want this gone. It's very loose stuff. It falls apart. So, and then I'm going to glue the coffee thing on. with this glue because it's a bit heavier. Shall I do it straight? Yeah, I will do it straight. So, and where did I want, where is my lace? Oh, here it is. I wanted to have it over here, but I'm not sure. Oh, I can glue it on the back. That's what I can do. Glue it on the back. Maybe spritz it a bit. Coffee. It smells like coffee. Something like that. Now it's wet, of course. I could mop that up with a bag. So, and I glue it on the bottom. The lace, so this stuff will peek through, just like so. It's wet, of course, but you can't see that. So, yeah, like that. And here is my little flower. Where shall I do that? Just in the corner. I think I'm going to do that. Just glue it over here. So you have a little of writing space over there. And shall I do the yellow one? No, I'm going to do the little punched flower over here in the middle. So it's wet, but that will dry. So this is my very quick coffee journaling card. Just like so. That's it. That's all I'm going to do today. Well, I hope you liked it. You can do, you can make stuff, well, that doesn't have to take very long if you have beautiful things to wrap. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.